Wait, see, the other day, I was boiling water. The flame was clean, blue, and stable.
Then suddenly, it turned orange. Something had disturbed the flame. I looked closer. It was a moth, burning. This is not new. We have seen it before. A moth sees light and moves towards it. It does not ask, what kind of light is this? It only feels, I am drawn to this. Human beings are not so different. We see something that shines, a person, an idea, a business, a lifestyle, and we move. Not because we understand it, but because we feel it. In darkness, not every light is the light of Ramasedi. Some lights burn, some lights consume, some lights trap. But desire does not know the difference. My love is blind. Can't you see my desire? That's the way love goes. Love is blind, not because it is wrong, but because it comes from inside. The heart feels, it pulls, it wants, but it cannot investigate. Investigation belongs to the mind. Before you jump, you must ask, what is this thing? Where will it take me? Does it align with my truth, my purpose, Modimo? If you do not ask, desire will answer for you. When desire decides, it does not think about tomorrow. It only moves toward what feels like light. And that's how many people end up in situations they never intended, burnt by what they thought would save them. The lesson is simple. Do not kill desire, but do not follow it blindly. The heart can point, but the mind must investigate. Because in the darkness, not every light is Ramasedi. Ramasedi. We give thanks to the Most High. Thank you, son.